Good morning, Aditi. I am here to learn all about receiving today. What process you follow to ensure we get the right quantity and quality?
Great to see you here. It is good that you are learning how to receive materials. Let me show and tell you. Whenever any stock is received, I generally cross-check the quantity with the purchase order. I will also check it against the receiving specification that we have for the perishable goods. It is always a good practice to check the materials received against the specification. Usually the quality is checked by someone from the user department as well. For example, a chef might check the fish. Next we will weight the material and make a goods receipt note or GRN.
What happens if the quantity is not as per what we ordered?
Yes, that happens quite often. If there is short supply, we will make a note in the short supply register and tell the user department about it. If there is excess quantity, we must return the same back to the vendor and make a note of it in the GRN and also on the copy of the vendor. Later in the office, the person in charge of stores will take the GRN and update the stock in the system and complete the process of receiving. They will update key details like date of expiry, price, quantity for things that will go into the store. For items that are directly issued to the user department, like food, a direct issue entry is raised and the items issued.
Thank you, Aditi, for telling me about the process of receiving materials in the hotel. Oh, and before you go, please subscribe to the channel if you are interested in hotels and learning more about them.
See you in the next video. Remember, it is a clarifiedbetter.com video. You can also go to our website to learn more.